In this example, we want to try to use the knowledge or the rules that we came up with in the previous two examples to try and plot the points without having to count over to the line of reflection. So let's remember, when we were reflecting over the x-axis, it was the y-coordinate that changes. And remember, if we're reflecting over the y-axis, it is the x-coordinate that changes. So please remember that. All right, so think opposite. If I'm dealing with the y-axis, I'm going to change x-coordinates and vice versa. All right, so now let's take a look at this problem here. I want to be able to come up with the new points without counting. So I've got A, which looks like it's at the point 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm trying to flip this across the y-axis, so I know that I need to change the x-coordinate. So on 1, 4, my x-coordinate is 1, and this would be point A. So for A prime, I need that coordinate to be the opposite, or multiply it by -1, and so my A prime is going to be -1, 4. All I did is change the x. And the same for B. Let's look at B. The B coordinate is 2, 1. So if B is 2, 1, then B prime, which is being once again flipped over the y-axis, I need to change the x-coordinate to the opposite, and that is going to be -2, 1. And now let's double check and see if we got it right. These reflected over, so B reflected becomes -2, 1, which is what we got. A reflected becomes -1, 4, which is what we got for those two. So remember, when you're reflecting across the y-axis, you change the x-coordinate. When you're reflecting across the x-axis, you change the y-coordinate. Go ahead and try the got it that goes along with example 3.